Your brain is the reason you cannot speak English fluently. Not your vocabulary, not your grammar, not your accent. Your brain. It was never trained to produce English automatically. Today, we are going to change that. We are going to show you exactly how to rewire your brain so English comes out naturally, without thinking, without freezing, without translating.
By the end of this video, your brain will have a clear new system for producing English fluently. And you will know exactly what to do every single day to make it permanent.
Welcome, everyone. My name is John.
And my name is Emily. Really glad you are here for this one.
How are you feeling today, Emily?
Honestly, John, I find this topic absolutely fascinating because most people think fluency is about studying more, but it is actually about training your brain differently.
Exactly. And today, we break down the science behind fluency in simple language and give you a step-by-step brain training system that actually works.
This is not a regular English lesson. This is a brain upgrade. Let us start.
Emily, let us start with the most important question. Why does the brain freeze when we try to speak English?
Great question, John. Here is the science in simple terms. Your brain has two systems for language. System 1, your first language. This is automatic, fast, no effort. You do not think before you speak in your own language. It just comes out.
And System 2?
System 2, a second language. This is manual, slow. It requires effort and conscious thinking. You hear a question, you process it. You think of the answer in your own language. You translate, you check the grammar, then you speak.
And by that time, the conversation has already moved on.
Exactly. The goal of brain training is to move English from System 2, the slow manual system, to System 1, the fast automatic system.
And that is completely possible. Your brain is neuroplastic, which means it can rewire itself at any age. You just need the right training.
Say it. My brain can learn to speak English automatically.
I am training my brain every single day. Brain Training Method 1. Input flooding.
John, what does input flooding mean?
It means surrounding your brain with English as much as possible every single day. Your brain learns language by exposure. The more English your brain hears, the more it recognizes patterns, and the faster it starts producing English automatically.
Here is exactly how to do it. Change your phone language to English. Change your social media to English. Watch YouTube in English. Listen to English podcasts while you cook, while you commute, while you exercise.
You are not studying. You are just surrounding your brain with English input, like a baby surrounded by their language from birth.
The key is consistency. Your brain needs daily exposure, not occasional exposure. Even 30 minutes of English input every day makes a massive difference over time.
Say it. I surround my brain with English every single day.
English input is building my fluency automatically. Brain Training Method 2. Output training.
Input is listening and reading. Output is speaking and writing. And most English learners do way too much input and way too little output.
But here is the truth, John. Your brain only becomes fluent at speaking by actually speaking, not by listening more, not by studying more, by speaking.
Here is the output training exercise. Every single day, speak English out loud for at least 10 minutes. Alone. No audience, no pressure.
Pick any topic. Your day, a news story, your opinion about a movie, a plan you have, anything. Just speak continuously in English for 10 minutes without stopping.
Do not correct yourself while speaking. Do not stop to look up words. Keep going. Even if it sounds wrong, even if you use simple words, just keep the output flowing.
Why? Because every time you produce English, even imperfectly, your brain is building new neural pathways. And those pathways get stronger every single time you use them.
Say it. I speak English out loud every single day.
Every time I speak, my brain gets stronger.
Brain training method 3. Spaced repetition.
This one sounds technical, John, but it is actually very simple.
Spaced repetition means reviewing something at increasing intervals. For example, you learn a new phrase today. You review it tomorrow, then 3 days later, then 1 week later, then 1 month later.
Each time you review, the memory gets stronger until eventually that phrase becomes permanent in your brain.
Here is the simple way to use this. Every day, learn 3 to 5 new English phrases. Write them down. Use them in a sentence out loud. Then review them the next day, and the day after, and 1 week later.
You do not need a fancy app for this. A small notebook works perfectly. Write the phrase on one side. Write the meaning and an example sentence on the other side.
After 30 days of doing this, you will have 90 to 150 new phrases permanently stored in your brain. And they will come out automatically when you speak.
Say it. I review new English phrases every single day.
Repetition builds permanent memory in my brain.
Brain training method 4. Emotion anchoring. John, this one is really interesting.
It is, Emily. Here is the science. Your brain remembers things much better when they are connected to emotion. Think about it. You remember exactly where you were when something exciting or shocking happened, because the emotion locked that memory in.
So the idea is, when you learn a new English phrase, connect it to a strong emotion or a real personal experience.
For example, instead of just memorizing the phrase, "I am absolutely exhausted," remember a specific moment when you were truly exhausted. Feel that feeling. Then say the phrase.
Now, your brain has connected that phrase to a real emotion and a real memory. And next time you feel exhausted, that phrase will come out automatically.
This is why learning English from real conversations and real situations works better than memorizing word lists. Real situations have emotion. Emotion creates memory.
Say it with real emotion. I am
absolutely exhausted. I am so excited about my future. I am incredibly proud of how far I have come.
And the final method, Emily, the 5-minute English morning ritual.
This one is simple but incredibly powerful. Every single morning, before you check your phone, before breakfast, before anything else, spend 5 minutes speaking English out loud.
Here is the exact ritual. 1 minute. Say 5 positive sentences about yourself in English. I am confident. My English is getting better every day. I am not afraid to make mistakes. 2 minutes. Describe what you are going to do today in English. Today I am going to work. I have a meeting at 3 p.m. I am going to cook dinner tonight. 2 minutes. Say 3 new phrases you learned recently, out loud, with full confidence.
That is it. 5 minutes. Every morning. This ritual warms up your brain for English, like stretching before exercise. And over time, it trains your brain to be in English mode from the very start of your day.
Say it. I do my English morning ritual every single day.
5 minutes every morning is changing my English forever.
Let us quickly recap the 5 brain training methods.
Method 1. Input flooding. Surround your brain with English every day.
Method 2. Output training. Speak English out loud for 10 minutes every day.
Method 3. Spaced repetition. Review new phrases at increasing intervals.
Method 4. Emotion anchoring. Connect phrases to real feelings and memories.
Method 5. The 5-minute morning ritual. Start every day in English.
Pick one method. Start today, not tomorrow, today.
You now have a complete brain training system to speak English fluently. 5 methods, all free, all starting today. Your homework, tomorrow morning, do the 5-minute English morning ritual. That is all. Just 5 minutes. And tell us in the comments how it felt. John and Emily read every single comment. We will reply to the best ones.
If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. We upload a brand new English lesson every single day.
Share this with one friend who wants to speak English fluently. You could genuinely change their life. See you in the next video. I am Emily.
And I am John. Keep speaking.
Bye.